Good morning, all of you. Today we will see some questions of chapter differential equation. You know, under differential equation, there are three methods to solve differential equation: variable are separable, homogeneous method, linear differential equation method, and there are two types of solution: general solution and particular solution. Okay, general solution is the solution which contain arbitrary constant as the order of derivative. The particular solution is the solution which obtained from the help of general solution by giving the particular values to the general solution. Okay, now we will see some questions based on these topics and we will solve. Okay, let's see first question. Find the general solution of the following differential equation, which is e to the power x tan x, e to the power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e to the power x sec square y dx sec square y dy is equal to 0. Okay, we have to given this differential equation and we have to find the general solution of this differential equation. So we will start. This is e to the power x tan y dx is equal to minus 1 minus e to the power x sec square y dy. Okay, we can write this. Now we multiply this negative sign inside the bracket. We get e to the power x minus 1 sec square y dy, and here e to the power x tan y dx. So now we set this e to the power x minus 1 and this is dx and sec square y, this is tan y and dy. What we have done, we have separated the variables. We have taken the x variable to the left hand side and y variable to the right hand side. Now we are going to use the method of variable are separable. Okay, so now we will integrate it. After integration we will find the general solution. So start. Now we will integrate it without integrating both sides. So we write here, this is, if we are supposing this term e to the power x minus 1 is t, then we get what? E to the power x dx is equal to dt. So it will be our what? Log of modulus e to the power x minus 1 and plus log of c. This is equal to, if we are taking tan yt, so we get the differentiation of tan y sec square y dy. So here will be 1 by t, and what we will write, log of t. Okay, now log of t means we write tan y. Okay, now here log m plus log n, so we write what? Log of e to the power minus 1 x, and here it will be c. Log m plus log n, log m into n, so we write log tan y. Now the log and log will cancel both sides. We get what? Tan y is equal to e to the power x minus 1 c, and it will be our general solution. Okay, I hope you understand. We have to give a differential equation and we have to find the general solution of this differential equation. So what we have done, we have taken this part to send this part to the right hand side and multiply this my negative sign to the inside the bracket. We get e to the power x minus 1 and here sec square y dy. Okay. Now we separate the variable. The variable when we separate, we get e to the power x minus 1 dx sec square y by tan y dy, and now we will integrate this. When we will integrate this, we get here will be the integration of, if we are supposing e to the power x minus 1 is t, then we get 1 by t, okay, and here dt will be, so the integration of 1 by t will be what? Log t, and our t is e to the power x minus 1 and the constant is, we are supposing log x, the term is in the form of log, so log tan y, so log m plus log m into n is equal to log tan y, log and log will cancel, we get tan y is equal to e to the power x minus 1. This is our required general solution of this given differential equation. Okay. Now we will see another question. Let's see. Our next question is question number 2. 2x square dy by dx minus 2xy plus y square is equal to 0. We have to given this differential equation and we have to find the solution of this differential equation. Okay. So first we will make it, this is which type of differential equation. So we write what? We write dy by dx 2x square is equal to 2xy minus y square, and this dy by dx can be written as 2xy minus y square by 2x square. Okay, we can write this. Now we are seeing that here the degree is 2, here the degree 2, and here is also degree 2. So this is the differential equation of type homogeneous. So this is what? Homogeneous differential equation. So we write it is homogeneous differential equation, and you know the method of solving homogeneous differential equation is what? We take y is equal to vx and we differentiate it with respect to x, and we write dy by dx in the form of d by dx, dv by dx, and we replace y with bx. So now we are going to take, let y is equal to bx. Now dy by dx will be what? First function plus differentiation of second function plus second function dv by dx. Okay. Now we will, these two values we will put in this equation and we get b plus x dv by dx is equal to 2x into bx, b square x square by and 2x square. Okay. Now b plus x dv by dx, here x square is common, so we will take outside, we get 2b minus b square by 2x square, this x square and x square will be cancelled. Now we send this b to the right hand side and we will further solve it. we get x dv by dx is equal to 2b minus b square by 2 minus b. Now taking 2 LCM, 2b minus b square minus 2b we are getting. So x dv by dx is equal to, okay, now this 2b and 2b will cancel. We get what? Minus b square by 2. Okay, we get minus b square by 2. Now what we will do? We will use here variable are separable. Okay, so we separate the variable. What we get? So we get 2 by b square dv is equal to dx 1 by x. We write this after separating the variable. Now we will integrate these both and we get, so now integrating both sides we get now we take this, we send this to the upper side to b to the power minus 2 dv, and this will be log of mod x plus c. We write this and minus 2 and differentiation of b's integration of minus b to the power b to the power minus 2 will be what? B to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, now log of mod x plus c. So we get minus 2 into b to the power minus 1 by minus 1. It will be cancelled. Log of mod x plus c. Okay. Now we get 2 by b. 2 by b is equal to log of x plus c. Our b is what? We have taken b is equal to, sorry, y is equal to b by x. Sorry, y is equal to bx. So b will be what? Y by x. Now we will change, we write here y and here x. And this is log of x mod x plus c. So it will be our solution. So it will be our general solution of this differential equation. First, what we have done, we have checked the differential equation is which type of form. So we have checked, then the order of the denominator is same as the order of the numerator. So our differential equation will be what? Homogeneous differential equation. And the method of solving homogeneous differential equation is, we will suppose first y is equal to bx and then differentiate that dy by dx is equal to b plus x dv by dx, and we put the in differential equation dy by dx is equal to what? Our y is equal to bx and dy by dx is equal to b plus x dv by dx. Then after solving we get x dv by dx and 2b minus b square by 2 minus b. Okay, now we send here b to the right hand side and will be negative sign with, and 2b minus b square minus 2b, after taking LCM it will be cancelled. We get this, and now we will separate the variable. We will send this x and dx to the one side and this b to db to one side, and we integrate this. When we will integrate this, we get minus 2b minus 2 dv, and log of integration of this term will be log of modulus x plus c. Now the differentiation of x to the power n is, integration of x to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So we write minus b minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, and this minus and minus will cancel, and we can write this 2 by v, and here log x plus c. Okay, and you know we have let in the starting y is equal to vx, so we replace again v with y by x, and the last, so we write 2 by v, and this v can be written as 2x by y is equal to log x plus c. It will be our general solution. Okay, now we will see our next question. Our next question is, find the particular solution of the following. So our next question is, find the solution of differential equation which is given 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to a to the power tan inverse x. We have to given this differential equation 1 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to a to the power tan inverse x. So first what we will do, we will check this is which type of differential equation. Okay, so we will make this and then we will solve it. So let first what we will do, we will divide this differential equation by this term. So we get what? 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square dy by dx after dividing, and here it will be about tan inverse x 1 plus x square. Now this is the type of, this is cancelled, this is the type of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the type of this differential equation, and this is linear differential equation. Okay, this is our linear differential equation, and p is, now we compare, so our p is 1 by 1 plus x square, and our q is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. Okay, now, and you know this is linear differential equation, and to solving linear differential equation, first we will find the integrating factor. Okay, it is of type py is equal to q, so our integrating factor is equal to will be what? E to the power integration of p dx. Then we will find the integrating factor first. So if will be what? E to the power p dx, and our p is 1 by 1 plus x square dx, and this is the integration of tan inverse x. Okay, so integrating factor is e to the power tan inverse x. Now you know that we know that the general solution of the given differential equation will be what? So the solution of differential equation will be y, and the integrating factor e to the power tan inverse x, and integration of q is e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into integrating factor, and integrating factor is e to the power tan inverse x dx. Okay, and this is plus c. So it will be solution of the given differential equation. Now we will further solve it and find. Now what we will write here, y e to the power tan inverse x, and what we will take, now when we will integrate it, we write let e to the power tan inverse x is equal to t. Now differentiate this, we get e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. Okay, e to the power x is e to the power x, and differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by x square. So we get what? We get y e to the power tan inverse x is equal to, this is dt, and here this is t. Now integrate this, we get t square by 2 plus c, and t is what? T is e to the power tan inverse x. So we write 2 here and divide by 2 plus c, and y e to the power tan inverse x. So we send this e to the power tan inverse x to the right hand side. We get what? E to the power tan inverse x by 2 plus c e to the power minus tan inverse x, and this will be our required general solution. So in this question we have to given that the given differential equation is 1 plus x square divided by dx plus y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. So first we will check that the given differential equation is which type of differential equation. So when we make it, when we divide 1 plus x square, we get dy by dx y by 1 plus x square is equal to e to the power tan inverse x and divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, so after solving with that, we get dy by dx plus y by 1 plus x square and this term, and this is the type of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is our linear differential equation. Okay, so our linear differential equation and method of solving linear differential equation method is what? In this type of method we first select what is p and what is q. So we have written here our p is 1 by 1 plus x square and q is the right hand side, whole the right hand side. Okay, now after this we will find its integrating factor, and our integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dx. This is the formula of finding integrating factor, and e to the power integration of our p is what? 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now integrate this, we write e to the power, our 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse x. So we write e to the power tan inverse x. This is our integrating factor, and after calculating the integrating factor, we will find the general solution of that. So the solution is of the form y and integrating factor is equal to integration of our integrating factor into the right hand side, that is q, and dx plus c. This is our solution of differential equation. Now we will further integrate it and so on, and we find our general solution. So y e to the power tan inverse x is equal to, now we have to do the integration of this term. So we take this term as t, so we have left here that this is equal to t, and this is of the form e to the power x, and you know the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. So we write e to the power x, and here x is what? Tan inverse x. So we write 1 plus x square dx. This is equal to dt. Okay. Now this is our e to the power tan inverse x, and 1 plus x square, and this is dx. So we will write the place of this is what? Dt. The whole will be changed. So, and at the place of this term will be t. So we write integration of t plus dt. Okay. Now this is our t, and integration of t is what? T square by 2. So we write t square by 2 plus c, and this y e to the power tan inverse x, and this t we can write what? This t can be written as e to the power tan inverse x t. Okay. So here is square of t, so we write e to the power 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c, and now this e to the power tan inverse x we send to the right hand side. When we send to the right hand side, we get y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x by 2, because this 1 times will reduce from this 2 times. So we write y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x by 2, and here in right hand side c e to the power minus tan inverse x. So it will be our general solution. Our general solution of this given differential equation. This is the third type, which is linear differential equation, and the before two question we have seen based on variable or separable method and homogeneous method. In variable separable method we have seen that what? That we separate the variable, we send the x with dx to the left hand side and y to the with dy to the right hand side, and then we further integrate both sides and we get our general solution. And in homogeneous method you have seen that first we check that the degree of the numerator and denominator will be same. If the degree of the numerator and denominator will be same, then we can say that these are homogeneous method, homogeneous differential equation, and then we start solving to this method. And in this method you know that, and in this method we first let y is equal to bx, then we differentiate dy by dx is equal to b plus x dv by dx, and we put the value of y which is equal to bx in that equation, and we put also dy by dx in that equation, and we will further solve and separate the after solving this we separate the variable and find our general solution. Okay, and the third method is the linear differential equation method. In this method we first made the differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If our differential equation is of the form this dy by dx plus py is equal to q of the form, then we take first q, p and q over, and after this we will find what? We will find our integrating factor. The formula of integrating factor is e to the power integration of p dx. Okay, and when we find our integrating factor, after that we will calculate our solution of the differential equation. And to find the solution of differential equation, this is the formula: y into this is integrating factor is equal to integration of the integrating factor. Okay, this is integrating factor and this is our q, and plus c. And to find the final solution, we will integrate this term and we write our solution in the form of y is equal to something plus c, and we get our general solution. If we have to given some particular values of the this constant, then we find the value of, then we put the value of constant here and we get our general solution. Okay, thank you.